Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about how to turn off your water heater. Let me show you what to do. Turning off your water heater can actually mean two different things. One is the water supply to the water tank. Typically, there is a valve on the cold water side that leads into the water tank. If you just turn that valve off, that means that no more cold water will enter into the water heater. This could be done if you're doing any kind of service work on the unit, or if you're seeing any water leaking on the floor, it's a good idea to turn that valve off. Turning off your water heater can also mean turning it off at the gas valve. Now, this is a gas-fired water tank, and on the front of it there's a gas valve, and you see the dial right here. You can turn it off to vacation or all the way off. When you turn it all the way off on this particular unit, it will kill the gas supply to the unit itself, also turning off the pilot light. In the vacation mode, it will leave the pilot light ignited, but it won't heat the water inside the tank. So if you were going to be gone for a couple weeks and you wanted to save a little money on your energy bill, but not have to go through the hassle of relighting your pilot light, I would put it to the vacation setting. Then when you come back, set it to the desired temperature. And that's it. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.